welcome back to another video. My name is Chataira, and so in today's video I will be showing you guys groceries from Target and Ralph's. So this is just stuff that I needed to get me through the week and just a few box items for next week. So if you guys are into that kind of content, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so starting with the left, I have strawberry and blueberry granola bars for my daughter, and I have some Ritz crackers that most likely she will enjoy. Also I have elbow noodles for mac and cheese and tonight's soup for dinner. It's still not cold enough for soups, but I'm just feeling comfy, so I just wanted a vegetable soup. The next thing that I purchased was just watermelon. This will probably be the last one. I'm not sure if they're still even in season, or you know, if they're still good or whatever, but I'm looking forward to eating that. I bought her some Danimals just until I can get to Sam's Club, and I purchased her some Kraft macaroni and cheese back there. I bought me 2 cucumbers to have with Italian dressing as a snack. This is just green leaf lettuce for our tacos for this week. I bought this andouille style sausage to have with this one pot jambalaya. I haven't wanted jambalaya, but I don't really know how to make it as of yet. So I'm hoping that stovetop or what's the other girl I like? What's her name? I Heart Soul Food will teach me how to make it. I guess Amari put this in the basket. I'm not sure, but it's a cheddar broccoli pasta. So it's not the rice, but it's a pasta. So I'm gonna try it. I also bought her some Oreo thins because I know that she likes that. And I purchased a Caesar salad for lunch one day this week for myself. So the next thing that I have are fries. I don't know why I bought them, but hopefully one day I can have burgers and have fries. So the next thing that I purchased, and all the way in the back, is a DiGiorno, and I get the Supreme version because that's, I don't know, it's good to me. So the next thing that I have is lasagna with meat, and this is just good for when I don't necessarily want to cook, but I still want us to have a good meal. I'll opt for that instead of takeout. So I have the diced tomatoes, Italian version, and I have the green chilies for our taco night, and then I have the El Paso to add to my meat when I make tacos. So these two are for the macaroni and cheeses that I use. So I'm planning on making homemade mac and cheese one day, so I use those two. And then this is the simple organic crushed tomatoes that will go with our soup tonight. And then so I was out of jalapeno peppers and I wanted some more, so I purchased some. I bought some evaporated milk for when I make a sweet potato pie. I have some yams for either dinner one night, or hopefully this would be enough for a sweet potato pie if I don't get to use it for dinner, which most likely I will because I haven't had yams in a while. So yeah. The next thing that I have are the American slices. These are good on hand for when I want to make Amari a grilled cheese or to add on to burgers or whatever. Moving right along, the next thing that I have are the turkey breasts. I don't know, I've been eating this meat like crazy. It's good to me. The next thing that I have is the hot sauce by Taco Bell. I have some more rice just to keep in the cupboard. That's the chicken flavor, and then this is the Spanish rice flavor for tacos this week. Also, while I was at Target, I saw this one that I wanted to give a try. Hopefully it'll be a little more authentic tasting, but I'm not sure. We'll see. I've been using these and I prefer these, but it doesn't help to like try some new things sometimes. So I'm gonna split this package in half and have tacos one night and then I'm gonna freeze the other half just because this one was a better buy. And so for our tacos this week, I have the 25 calorie, I guess, I don't know, taco shells. So yeah, I don't know what the difference is. It just said 25 calories, not sure why. Next I have tuna helper, and this is just for a pantry staple, just in case when I give birth and we don't really have anything to eat, or I just want something quick and easy. I can cook this in about 20 minutes. So the next thing that I have are the baby red mashed potatoes. And then so for the meat, for the soup that I'm making, I am using beef for stew. And yeah, I bought 2. Should be enough for just what I needed for my husband and myself. And so I bought cheese to snack on because that's my jam. And then I bought 1 salad for my husband this week, and then the buffalo ranch chopped salad kit for his lunch this week. I'm trying to get him back on eating, you know, lunch from home to save a little money. So from Target, I purchased some bowls. I'm trying to get out of the habit of buying so much plastic and paper bowls and just start reusing what I have at the house. And then the next thing that I purchased was a few plates, nothing crazy. The ones that I have already, they are like, you know, glass and stuff, and I'm just like, I'm not about that life every day. So I just picked up a few plastic ones that are more durable. I purchased these for my daughter because, believe it or not, she eats off paper and plastic plates. And so yeah, I bought her two plates to eat off on, and I also bought her a fork and knife, a fork set, not a fork and knife, a fork set. And I purchased some cups. And so the last two things that I needed was nursing pads for myself when I deliver. This is from Target, and I also bought some honey wheat bread from Ralph's. And so that was all for today's video. I spent $58 at Target, and I spent about $140 at Ralph's. So not too bad, kind of expensive, but what can you do? This is just an overview of everything. And these were like 50 cents each, so they weren't breaking the bank or anything. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Hey guys, I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have watched the video to the end, please leave me a green frog down below so that I know that you are in fact watching to the end, and you are enjoying the content that I am putting out. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am here growing, trying to stay consistent, so just go ahead and encourage your girl to keep putting out these videos for you guys. I upload Tuesdays and Fridays around 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time because I live in LA. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, as I've said already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Every part of me is a vision of a portrait of Mona.